Here is lesson 35 for trumpet. We will play numbers 81 and 83. You should have already looked through them. You should be good to go. I shouldn't have to explain what a one measure repeat sign is because you've already looked at it. I shouldn't have to explain if there are B flats or B naturals anywhere because you've already looked for them. Alright, so number 81. Let's talk about this one measure repeat sign just to make sure that we've got it. One measure repeat means when you get to that repeat, you'll play the measure just before it. Okay? So, for instance, 81. The first measure, C, D, E, C. Then you have that repeat. So you'll do C, D, E, C. And then you'll go on to measure 3, which, oddly enough, has a number 2 above it. Okay? That is for a round, which we'll talk about later during class. Okay, here we go. 81. Let's buzz it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Did you notice how I spaced my accented notes a little bit? That's something we're going to talk about. When we play a general note, like for instance 4-quarter notes, we have 90% tone, and that last 10% is a little bit of space. That's what our tongue does. When you have accents, it's more 75 to 80% tone and 20-25% space. So a little bit more space between them, okay? All right, let's move on to 83, but before that, we need our code word, don't we? Today, it's a code phrase. It is, at the top of your book, one measure repeat sign. All right, let's play number 83. You've already looked at your dynamics, you've looked at your key signature, and you're ready to play it. Here we go. Buzz it. All right, and 1, and 2, and ready. Moves a little bit, doesn't it? Keep in mind, we're not going slow during lessons. When you play this, you should have already practiced it, you should already be able to play it, and you should already be picking up speed on it. These lessons are meant to put the final touches on your playing. All right, that was lesson 35. Thanks for joining me.